We are in Panji. We took a rental scooty. This is the idli vada of Goa. Our first breakfast in Goa. कैसा लग रहा है तुम्हें? But हमारे साथ एक कांड हो गया. It was such a bad mess. Guys, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamat's vlogs, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. Goa is on. We are going to Goa. Today is April 30th and we made a sudden plan to go to Goa. We're going from Bangalore to Goa by a sleeper bus today. All details coming soon. Let's begin. We are in bus. We boarded the bus here in Bellandur. From Bellandur to Goa. This bus goes to Panji, Ponda and some few places. Doesn't go to North Goa side. So we are planning to get down somewhere near Panji and we'll take a rental scooty or something there and then figure out where to go. Yeah, the bus is comfortable. This is Varalakshmi Travels. We booked this on a red bus. 1000 rupees per seat. So this is upper seat. Upper first. Windows like this, quite spacious. Quite spacious, and the best thing is the bus has a urinal. It has a toilet. It's a moving toilet. Wow, what more to ask for? So the driver need not stop anywhere. We can say use this. God knows how the toilet is and all that, but I hope it doesn't stink later on also, because we are sleeping close to it. That was my first concern when I saw it. But yeah, I hope everything is fine. देख तो रहे थे जैसे तुम्हें कुछ बोलना था.
Hi guys.
Bus started at 8 o'clock from Bellandur, and the bus will go to will reach Panji at 10 o'clock it seems. It's about 14 hours of journey. 13-14 hours of journey. This is 1000 non-AC sleeper, 2000 rupees for this bus. If you go by train is the cheapest of all from Yeshwanthpur to Madgaon. 400 rupees per person sleeper. Non-AC sleeper, 400 rupees per person almost. That's ultra cheap. Yeshwanthpur to Madgaon. 3 o'clock it leaves in the afternoon, reaches Madgaon at 4 in the morning, 4 in the midnight. Last time we travelled by that, and you have to book the tickets around 15-20 days in advance. Last time we travelled by train and we had an extensive Goa trip of 8 to 9 days. Train vlog, all details of the train, I have mentioned it. We reached Goa vlog. Last time, I leave a link in the I button, you can check that out. With train, what happened last time was you reach Madgaon at 3 in the night. Okay, or 4 max if the train is delayed, 4. After that, what? Room check-ins are around 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Not 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So if you reach there at 3 in the morning, then it causes a lot of issues. So then we took a normal room near Madgaon itself. We didn't know what to do at night. With bus reaches at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock itself. So there's no other issues. You can directly go to your room. If the room check-ins are generally after 10 or 11, 12. So that problem you can resolve. April 30th today, and there's a lot of heat in Bangalore. Too much heat. And this is not an AC bus, so we are literally feeling very hot after killing so much of time. We boarded at 8 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock now. I think I'll sleep because I cannot sit too long. This seat does not support sitting as is. So my ass is literally paining. I applied nail polish and I listened to songs and all that is done. Now my back started aching, so I better sleep. I lie down at least. I will update you tomorrow morning.
2000 years later.
Good morning. The time is 7:30 a.m. in the morning and the bus stopped somewhere in a secluded place here in Dharwad. The bus stopped for having breakfast. This is Hotel Shimla in Dharwad. Wow. हमारे साथ एक कांड हो गया. It's such a bad mess. We had booked rooms from agoda.com in Panji and so the room check-in was at 12. We would reach there around 10:30, 11. So what we did was yesterday night around 10 o'clock Guruji called that room guy, can we do an early check-in? So the hotel name is Balaji in Panji. So he said what is the name? I did not get any booking. Then he told his name. Then he said okay, let me just check and get back to you. And after that he's calling and telling, did you do it through booking.com? I got some fraud number, fraud email kind of message. I thought it must be fraud and I gave away that room to somebody else. I do not have any room left for May 1st and 2nd. And we were like, what? Now where will we stay? What the hell? And this was all happening at night in the bus yesterday. Then Guruji called agoda.com. Agoda.com customer care, they said that they will handle it, they'll look into it, and they called the hotel guy and he's saying room is still available and he's telling something else to us. Such a mess. What actually happened was Guruji did not do the payment, it seems. Agoda has a feature that pay at check-in. When you check in, you can pay at the counter, reception itself. Hotel guy is thinking he did not receive payment, he just got some email, so it must be fraud and he did not rely, it seems. So he gave away the room to somebody else. And then yesterday night till 3 o'clock in the bus, this guy was calling agoda.com customer care, and then that hotel guy is telling, until you come your money won't get cut. No, I don't have room anyways, don't come at all. Website, it says that if you don't come to the room, if you don't show up, it will be considered as you didn't come and your money will still get cut. So then he was doing back and forth with the customer care guy. So much drama. Agoda.com booked it through booking.com, and to maintain privacy, booking.com sent a masked email and sent it to the hotel. So another precaution would be call the hotels, ask them, are you accepting Agoda booking? Only then tell you are reserving from 1 to 2, and then you tell him, and then after you book again call them up and tell we have booked. This would be the safe option. The customer care guy has told that we'll get full refund. So now we have booked another room. So much drama on the first day itself. Oh god. So this is going through some forest area. We got down at Panji KTC bus stand stop and we came to this bike rental place around that bus stand itself, and we bought this bike for rental. So take a video of the scooter or car, whichever you're taking, and so that it becomes a proof. So the scooty was 450 rupees per day rent. We are in Panji. We took a rental scooty in Zara Bikes near where our bus stopped, right? KTC bus stop. There we took a Fasino, is there in that, and the bike looked in good condition only. And see the backdrop, this is casino. It's all Panji side, Mandavi river. Behind me is Mandavi river there, and it's all casinos there. We called our hotel Bella Goa, and they said come at 12:30. It's only 11:30. So then we decided let's come eat something here. So we are in Panji's Udupi Vihar hotel. So scooty which we got, it will have only half liter petrol, not even half liter petrol. So we have to fill petrol on our own. So total scooty costed 3,250, out of which 1,000 is refundable. And then we have to fill petrol. We filled full tank, 500 rupees. This Vihar Udupi veg, pure veg. Upma is 35, idli vada is 65. We ordered one masala dosa 75. This is the idli vada of Goa. Our first breakfast in Goa, Guruji. कैसा लग रहा है तुम्हें? Sal dosa. Viji forgot to click photo. We finished this much already. But taste is good. Idli vada was also okay. This is puri bhaji. This is our filter coffee. Puri bhaji 65, idli vada 65, filter coffee 60 to 30. Masala dosa 75 to 65. It's reasonable. This is the Hotel Bella Goa near Subway. Here it says hotel, that's it. This is the reception. They gave us lemon soda as welcome drink. It tasted very nice. Welcome to Bella Goa room tour. So as soon as you come, here is washroom. This is a basic washroom, shower, commode and toiletries. 2 bath towels are here. And there's a dented mirror kind of. These water bottles and these food, milk packets and all. And this is the bed. Bed is good. You have a TV. And oh, here, this mirror is good. Oh, ये मेरे मेकअप के लिए सही है. Nice big mirror. Then there's a chair here. Some garden view. पर वहाँ पे कोई हाथ मुँह धो रहा है यार. This is so nice bed. What was the cost of the room? 2,000. Okay, this room costed 2,000. And yeah, it's AC room. It has a AC. Nice. Nice. I liked it. So now we will freshen up. We did not have a bath since morning. The time is 1 o'clock. The room check-in is 1 o'clock here. We'll take some rest. It's too hot. And the AC here is the savior for us. And after that we will go to Shanteri Kamakshi temple and Mahalasa Narayani temple in Mardol. So Shanteri Kamakshi is my pattern, my father's side Kuldev, husband's side, Guruji's side is Mahalasa Narayani. So after marriage we take the husband's Gotra, Kuldevi, everything. We go to both the places. And my mom's also is the same story. My mom's father's side was Mahalasa Narayani and my father's was Shanteri Kamakshi. So, and even my mother-in-law's and father-in-law's is also same story. My mother-in-law's was Shanteri Kamakshi before marriage, and after marriage my father-in-law's is Mahalasa Narayani. So if the 6 of us go, we go to both the temples. So it's like either way one of us is related to Shanteri Kamakshi temple. So that's a nice thing. Bella Goa room we booked in the midnight yesterday at 3 in the night. So this was the story. So the goof up or the mess was everything because of booking. Agoda.com and the hotel guy, he confused in Balaji in hotel, he confused for something else. So that's the takeaway. Call the hotel, ask if they are accepting bookings from Agoda.com and then only book, and after that tell them that you have booked. Especially with 2-star hotels, please do that. I'll stop this vlog here and we'll freshen up. I hope you enjoyed all this and all the mess and all the fun. I'm very excited to show you Goa. Also, we have come here before. If you want to check out those videos, that was a very extensive trip, 8 days trip in Goa. I'll leave a link of the playlist. And that's it. I'll see you in the next episode. Smash that like button and comment and tell me what you think about our goof up of hotels and bookings. And subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.